I see trees of green and red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow are so pretty in the sky, and also are the faces of all the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, oh, I love you. I hear babies crying, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a